In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the deck height on a Cub Cadet ZT1. To correctly adjust the height on this Cub Cadet zero turn, you need to press this foot lever down. There's a little bit of resistance there. You'll actually start lifting the deck up when you press it down, so you do need to have a little bit of strength and force here. It's not too heavy, but you do need to push a little bit. And with your foot on this pedal, pressing it down, you can make the adjustment to the height gauge on the left hand side. It's the yellow knob right here that has a little symbol showing you different height of cut. So we turn this to 4.5. We're going to lower our foot down. Don't let this slam. Always lower the deck down slowly after you change the height. To change the height from whatever position you've got it in, press the foot pedal down again and then turn this. We're going to go down to 3 inches right there. Every time you start the lawnmower, make sure you've always got it in the 4.5 inch setting. That just means everything's lined up underneath and you've not got so many funny angles in there. And then once you're running, you can then press the pedal down and adjust the height to whatever height setting you need. And that's how to adjust the height of cut on this Cub Cadet zero turn.